students, welcome to computer class. How are you all? Students, in our last class we have done all the worksheets of chapter 4. Today we are going to do the lab time. In this it includes around 4 practicals and also there is one project. That is behind your book. There is on page number 151. So that project also we are going to see how to do it. So let's start the class.
Chapter 4, Inserting Objects in MS Word. So today we are going to have lab time. So in practical 1, we are going to do inserting and formatting a picture. In practical 2, we are going to work with drawing tools, format tab options. In practical 3, we are going to create a table and apply table style. And in practical 4, first we have to open web page www.nationalgeographic.com and then we are going to insert screenshot in a Word document. This is a desktop screen and we have to open Word document. So we are going to write Word on the search box. As we write, we got Word and we are going to click on it. As we click, so our Word document is open. We'll click on New and then the blank document. Our blank document is open. Now here we are going to insert some sample paragraphs. So for that you will write is equal to rand.old and then open and close bracket and I'm going to press enter. So you see that some sample paragraphs are being automatically inserted. Now first of all select this and increase the font size like this. Now next we are going to insert the picture. Either we'll insert the picture from this device or from the online pictures. Let's click on online pictures and it will go to online. Let's select about the aeroplane. Select any of the picture and insert. So our picture got inserted. Now what we have to do, we have to go to the wrap text and we'll click on through so that I can adjust it anywhere. Let's decrease the size of the picture like this. We can adjust our picture anywhere we want. So let it be on the right hand side. Now next what we have to do, we have to change the color. So for that you have to go to the color button. Click on it and we can select any of the color which we want. So here I'm going to click on sepia color. So I will just click on it and now I have to change some picture borders and picture effect. So click on picture border. We can give the weight. That means the outside border line would be increased as you can see. So let's put a 3 point and picture effect, go to glow. You can select any one whichever you want, right? So let's select this one, right, for 18 points. Now you can see the picture is being given some formatting in it, right? So now our document is done. What we have to do, we have to save the file. So for that what we'll do, we'll click on save file and then save. You can save it anywhere. Like if you want to browse and you want to save on desktop, click here and save the file name as a sample text and click on save. Now our file has been saved. I'm going to close it. And here we can see on the desktop that our Word document is present. Now this is a Word document and we are going to start with practical 2, working with drawing tools format tab option. Now here we have typed some text and the pictures are being inserted. Now what we have to give, we have to first write the heading. So as this is about the comic, so we are going to name as Comics Forever or Forever. So we have given this name. So first of all, let's increase its font size. Now we have to give it little bit different look. So we are going to do the formatting. So for that, what we have to do, first select this, go to word art, and whichever format is looking good, suitable for this, we are going to select it. And in this way, it is being selected and it's looking nice. Now what we have to do, we'll go to the format tab and there we will change the background color. So we are going to change the shape fill. We can give some different colors to it. So in this way it is looking in such a way. So we are going to now click again and we'll go to the format tab, and here we are going to do the outline, that is the text outline or shape outline. We can beautify it by using the outline features. Now for outline, we can increase the weight, that means the border of the line which is outside. We'll just select it and you can see a black border is coming around it. And we can give a shape effect. We can put glow around it. We can select any of the color. As you can see that border, some effect is being coming outside of this particular heading. Now we can also change the text color. We can select any of the text color which we like. Okay, let's leave it for this color only. We can give a text outline as well. So we can increase the weight. So here you can see that as we increase the border width, so it is increasing. So we are going to keep it around 1.5 point. So it's looking okay. We can give a text effect as well. We can give some glow. We can give a 3D rotation as well. So it will move in this way. So but we want it a little bit straight and as well as a 3D look. So we are going to click on the perspective right. So we have selected this. Now we have done all the shape fill, shape outline, shape effect, text fill, text outline and text effect. And we have also used wrap text for the pictures. For pictures, we have to select the picture, click on format and the wrap text. And whichever wrap text we want, we can select it to arrange the picture in our document. Now our document is complete. We are going to save it. Again, we'll go to File and Save, or else we can click on the Save button which is at the top left. So we'll just click on Save and we can save it in the desktop. We'll browse it, go to the desktop and we can name it as Lasting Comics. So after saving this, click on Save and our file is saved. Now we are going to close it. We can see the Lasting Comic is on the desktop. Now this is a Word document. Here we are going to do the practical 3, that is creating a table, and we are going to use the table style from the design tab. Now first of all, we have to create a table. So for that, go to Insert tab, click on Table, and whatever number of rows and columns we want, we can just select it and click like this. So we have seen a table is being inserted. Now we have to add some table style. So at the top in the Design tab, you can see that there are variety of table styles. So we can select any one of them. Whichever we like, we can select it. So let's select this one. So as we have selected, so we can start filling the fields inside it. So like we can type monument, and we can decrease the size as well. Select on it. For decreasing the size, we are going to click here, right? So monument name, and then we can give the picture, or we can give the description of that particular location. Again, select it, decrease the size, or else we can decrease the size at once. Click here, so the whole table gets selected, and we can decrease the size as we want. So letting it be 22. And next we can give the location of that area. And if we want to add one more field, like if I want to give the serial number, so I will just select here, right click, and then I want to insert a column to the left. So I'll just click here. So I have seen that one more column has been inserted, and I'll write serial number here. So I can put here 1, and I can put here 2. So I can start filling this. So monument like Red Fort, Taj Mahal. So for this I can give the description. I can give anything, either it is made by the person, or I can give about the red sandstone. Any detail whichever I want, I can give here. So in this way we can create the table, and it is quite easy to give the style. I can show you one more table. So like this, you can create the table as it is shown below. So you can fill the table, and if you want to increase the size of the rows, so just right click. First of all, bring your mouse pointer to the first column like this, and then do right click. So here we get an insert option. Here if I want to add the row below it, I'll just write insert rows below. So one more row is being added. So we can increase the row in this way, and we have already learned how to increase the column. So in this way we can create the table. This is a Word document, and we are going to do practical 4 now. In this, first we have to open web page www.nationalgeographic.com, and then we will insert the screenshot in this document. So we are going to open nationalgeographic.com on the browser first, like this. As you can see that this is a nationalgeographic.com. So first you will open this web page, and then move to the now move to the Word document. Now here we are going to take the screenshot. So for that, go to Insert tab, and then click on Screenshot, and here we will click on Screen Clipping. And as we go to this page, now here we have to select this page, and as we select and leave it, so you can see that a screenshot is being shown on the Word document. Now here we have already inserted the home page of nationalgeographic.com on the Word document. Now let's move to the activity time. The question is, which objects should these children use in their document? Fill in the blanks. First is, I want to insert decorative text in my document, and the object is word art. Next, I want to present information about input devices in a concise grid format, and the object is tables. Third, I want to insert snapshot of a website in my document, and the object is screenshot. Fourth, I want to put a few cartoon images in my document to make it more interesting. And the object is pictures. So now these are the objects which is to be done in this activity time. Now moving to next, match each task to the correct command button on the Format tab. So first is change picture color, and the command button is in which it is written color. Now next, wrapping text around a picture. So the command button is wrap text. Then applying a picture border, and the command button is picture border. Next is cropping a picture. So the command button is crop. And last, rotating a picture. So we are going to use the command button rotate. So this is the match the following. Now we are going to do a project. This project you can get it in your book, computer book, page number 151. And here you have to go to Microsoft Word 10. There you have to first of all download pictures and content related to the generations of computers. And we have to use a feature of wrap text, and then we have to keep 4 to 5 pages in which each generation of computer would be defined. And then we have to use header and footer that we are going to see in Microsoft Word how to create it. And we also have to check spelling and grammar errors. We are going to apply page border and page color to the document. And then if you have a printer, you can take out the printout and paste it in your project file. Now you have to make these. Now in this way you can put first generation computer in the Word document. You can insert the picture. First you have to get the pictures from internet and then paste it here by inserting, and you can write the few lines about first generation computers as it is written about the UNIVAC 1 and who was invented it. You can mention that, and then you can show second generation computer and you can write details about it. Few points you can mention. You can give example. You can add the picture of the second generation computers. Then you can show third generation computer. In the third page you can give its details about integrated circuits. You can give a picture. Here I have added IBM 370. And moving to the fourth generation computer, that is a modern day computers. So you can mention these computers, pictures and the details about it. You can mention the examples, you can mention the points about it. Now moving to fifth generation computers, here you can mention it is based on artificial intelligence, and you can also give different pictures which are based on artificial intelligence. Now in this way you can add in your project all the 5 generation computers. Now this is the homework. You have to practice doing all the practicals in Microsoft Word. Now complete the activity in the book. You have to revise chapter 3 as well as chapter 4 and then complete the project and paste in your computer notebook, or you can paste in your any project file. This is a Word document and we are going to see how to insert header and footer. So for that, move to insert, click on this tab and then go on header option. Click here. There are many patterns. You can select it. We are going to select the first one and we'll type the name of the project, that is generation of computers. Now you can make this font size bigger, but the font size remains small in it. And here you can see in footer also you can add the page number as it is 1 here. If we enter to the second page, we can move to second, and we can add the content in our Word document. So here we can apply the page border. As we have seen, we can apply page border from this tab. We are just going to click on this. We'll move to borders and shadings, page border, and we'll move to the art section. From the art, we can select any of the suitable borders, like selecting this one and press OK. So our page border is also ready. Now here you can insert any picture and you can write any content. So for inserting the picture, go to insert pictures. You can go from this device or from the online pictures. Let's go from this device, right? So in every computer system, we would be having different images. So I'll just select it. So here you can see the images is here, and you can type the document. This is a computer project, and to make it visible, either you can keep the size small or big. It is up to your project requirement. And this way you can make your project.
Students, today we have seen 4 practicals and we have also seen how to do the project. And you are going to practice it and complete your project. And student, you have to start revising the worksheets which we have done in the chapter 3. Take care. Bye students.